샤머니 아닌 진실인걸 누구보다 빠르게 달리고 있어 하루가 다르게 나는 강해져 내가 좀 잘 나간다 해서 멈출 거란 생각.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I did some of my hair done. What you guys think? I can't even have a straight face with this. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic fried rice. 3 ingredients only. Oh, this is not 3 ingredients. It's 4 ingredients. Salt. Super duper simple, 4 ingredients only. Probably you can make it this like less than 5 minutes. It's so simple and delicious. Let's get started. So first thing is first, we need to chop garlic. We need to chop a lot of garlic. I'm talking about like 15 to 20 cloves. So that will come about 5 tablespoons. Now into a wok or large skillet, add 5 tablespoons of oil. Today I'm using avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil that you have in your house. Even olive oil will do, okay? Add the garlic into the oil. And by the way, I made a mistake of turning the heat high when I added the garlic, so it got browned up fast, but start from the cold pan, okay? I was filming a bunch of recipes today, and I'm like, don't make the same mistake as I do. Start from the cold pan, and after you add the oil and the garlic, then turn the heat to medium. Now I'm going to add 5 cups of cold jasmine or long grain rice. If you didn't know, today is my quarantine day 10, and I got a huge bag of medium grain and short grain rice, but I did not back up for my jasmine rice. And yeah, I'm short on jasmine rice. I don't have a jasmine rice anymore. I like literally use it all. So I'm using basmati rice today. And guess what? Basmati rice works. It works. It's nice and fluffy. It works. So whatever rice you have, make sure it's cold though. Day old, 2 days old, 3 days old, it will work. Season with a teaspoon of salt. And if you have MSG at home, maybe like sprinkle a little bit, like, oops, oh, ooh. You know what I mean? Mix everything together. Turn up the heat, and it's done. Oh my goodness. Did I ever share it easier than this garlic fried rice recipe? I don't know.
How about big spoon? It smells so amazing. Can I get some of it? You guys are just trying it without me?
Sorry.
What the heck?
Here.
Oh, I like garlic fried rice. I wear my noodle shirt though.
So this is like the basic garlic fried rice recipe. So if you wanna get like creative on this, maybe do this with butter instead of oil, or add some egg or spam, or like be creative, guys. We need to eat this with kimchi.
That's so good. I ain't scared. So much garlic. The garlic is so good.
I love actually the little burnt part actually worked out great, I think. It gives a little more smoky flavor. You guys probably worry, it must be bitter, but no. Are we eating garlic? You want some garlic rice with your kimchi?
Sure. You're so extra. He's literally shoveling it in his mouth. Put egg on top.
Guys, if you liked my garlic fried rice recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what you want to add on into this basic garlic fried rice. Shrimp, chicken, pork, beef, fake meat, egg, kimchi, whatever, like really.
By fake meat, you mean like vegan style?
Yeah, fake meat.
Plant-based?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Some people will just throw a whole bunch of fake meat options out there. Just be careful. Be careful. Be nice, people.
Okay.
Be nice.
And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I am Jacob Longest.
I'm Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye. Mwah.
Tag me on Instagram if you cook my food. Bye.
Yes, do that.